OFM Sport.
France, one aspect of your game that the Cheetahs have done pretty well in this season, and has given how young the players are, is that the pack has done incredibly well. So that's a big plus for you guys, going against another formidable pack. So that's something that should give you guys a bit of confidence. If they play well, you guys can pull this one through.
Yeah, definitely. I think, Mogsy, I think we need to, I think it's difficult. For 2 or 3 years now, we've been, every week there's been a sword against our necks, and we need to play well, and we need to do this, and we need to do that. Well, on the weekend we need to play well, and we need to win. So I think the urgency and everything around the situation, I don't think will be questioned on the weekend. We need, like I said, we need to play well, we need to win, and we do everything we can to control the controllables.
And just lastly, how good is it to actually play a home game again for a change? I heard what you said to Jan now, but you guys have essentially played 1.5, not even 1.5 games at home, because there was Shimlet Park and there was 4 games in a row. So is it good to be back in the Toyota Stadium for this big game?
Yeah, not traveling. We've been busing everywhere, so not just being home, being close to our families and being close to the support. I think it's going to make a massive difference, and luckily the game is op die begrafplaas. Hy's nou mooi groen, maar kom Saterdag ons gaan hom in 'n begrafplaas moet verander.
En julle is nie bang vir weerlig nie?
Nee, die weerlig moet wegbly.